Hello everyone, it's Yav Hartman here at Magix.com. I'm going to walk you through a quick demo of the Magix.com platforms that you understand what Magix can do for you. Magix.com basically is a full stack Facebook advertising platform that includes all the advertising technology tools that you need in one platform, all of the tools that you need to succeed with your Facebook ads. So let's start. Basically, the first area of the product is the audience creation. In order to have a successful ad account and a successful strategy, you need to have a horizontal scaling. You need to have to test a lot of audiences and a great variety, but don't just test random audiences. You really need to test proven audiences. So here we actually have hundreds of proven audiences ready for you to launch across the full funnel. So we are covering acquisition, from prospecting, people who have never known you before. Let our algorithm find your next best customers with the highest value for your business. All of those audiences are here. Then you have acquisition, re-engagement. So all of those audiences are basically people with a second touch. Video viewers, ad engagers, that's kind of the next stage of funnel. They already saw you one time and now you want to show them additional content. You want to drive them into your website. The next stage is basically the retargeting, right? So once you drove them into the website, those are those audiences. So you want to have different content. You want to create all those audiences. You have like multiple visits, high intent visitors, 0 to 180 days, people that are considering deep browsing, high intent niche retargeting from your top URLs, all selected for you inside those. Just click it. You have a lot of setups, a lot of quick setups that you can do there from different angles and all the best retargeting audiences out there. Then we have retention. Retention is basically people that already bought from you. You want to sell them more products. You want to increase your lifetime value. Those contents are targetable for you here. All you need to do is to click. Just click your audience. In this case, it's all of our customers from the last 180 days. It's also bringing in CRM data from email lists if you have them. Just give it a budget, purchase optimization, and Magix will automatically sort here all of your ads by performance. So all you need to do is to select your ads, let's say this, and this one, and click. You can also, if you don't have ads, and you're just starting out, you can also bring content from your Instagram profile or from your Facebook posts. Click next. And once I click create, your ad account is going to get a whole new ad set, a campaign, an ad set. This is the name. You can also tweak it a little bit, and those are the ads ready to deliver high performance and great return on ad spend in your ad account. So just click create and the ad set is created. That's it. It's that simple to create high quality audiences. And we have hundreds of those just ready for you.